Alright, this is a demonstration of a pendulum wave machine that I built for Arizona State University in my last couple of months there. It demonstrates the period of a pendulum, actually with several pendulums of different lengths, but they are mathematically connected, so to speak. And what it's going to do is the cocking mechanism will release all the balls precisely at the same time. It's going to drop down extremely fast. Now the pendulum balls, being all different lengths, will generate a sine wave. So it starts off with one sine wave, and then because of the mathematical relationship, it actually goes into 3 sine waves. It's a little hard to see it, but if you look at it closely, there's actually 3 sine waves. Kind of let your eyes follow one set of balls. Now it'll go into 2, and you can see that they're 180 degrees out of phase, and then they'll come back in phase. And then there they are, 180 degrees out of phase in the opposite direction. And it'll go back into 3, then back into 1. But we're going to switch to a side view, and it'll not take up where it's leaving off right now. It's just going to start over again, but from the side view. Any second now. Well, anyway, you see now that it's back to 1 sine wave. Now they'll all come back in phase. There's a side view of when it started. There's 1 sine wave. It gets kind of chaotic at this point from the side view. And there's actually 3 sine waves. And then it'll evolve into 2, which you'll be able to see quite clearly from this angle. There's 3 right now. You'll see the 2 as they crisscross each other, going in and out of phase. Pretty quick, you'll see it. Now you notice there's some cams rising from the bottom. I should say some rare earth magnets, which will induce a current in the aluminum balls and make the balls actually magnetic, even though they're aluminum, thereby having the opposite polarity and attracting the balls toward the magnets. So it's a damping mechanism without having any friction, because you don't want to touch the aluminum balls. It'll score them eventually. And that's about it.